Clean data in a spreadsheet has 5 qualities. These apply whether you're managing donor records for a nonprofit, tracking inventory for a retail operation, monitoring student attendance at school, or running financials for a small business. All right, here's quality 1. Consistency. Every piece of the same type of information looks the same. If you're recording state names, they're all spelled out or they're all abbreviated, not a mix of both. If you're entering dates, every date follows the same format. If you're listing a status, active, inactive, pending, those exact words are used every time, not active one place and then active lowercase another, and then active all caps somewhere else, and act in a third column. Computers and AI tools are case sensitive, delimiter sensitive, and format sensitive. Inconsistency looks like variety to a human, and it looks like different data to a machine. All right, quality 2 is completeness. Every field that should have a value has one. There are no blank cells where information is required. If you don't have the information, you record that intentionally. A standard placeholder, a note, a defined value for unknown, rather than just leaving it empty. Because a blank cell is ambiguous. It might mean the information doesn't exist. It might mean it wasn't collected. It might mean it was accidentally deleted. The machine doesn't know which, and neither does the person who opens the file. All right, quality 3, accuracy. The data actually reflects reality. This sounds obvious, but it's the hardest quality to maintain over time because data decays. Research shows that business-to-business contact data decays at a rate of about 20% a year, meaning that even if your spreadsheet was perfectly accurate 12 months ago, roughly 1 in 5 records may now be outdated. People move, organizations change, numbers shift, prices change. Accuracy requires ongoing maintenance, not just a one-time data entry effort. All right, quality 4, structure. Each column contains one type of information and one type only. The first row contains clear, descriptive headers. There are no merged cells in the data area. There is no color coding that carries meaning because color is invisible to AI and invisible to most analytical tools. If the color of a row means something important, that meaning needs to live in a column with a value. No notes crammed into cells that were built for numbers. No totals mixed in with individual records. The structure of the spreadsheet tells the tools that read it what kind of data they're looking at, and a clean structure makes that communication unambiguous. Quality 5, no duplicates. Every record that should be unique actually is. Duplicate rows in a data set will silently double count things in any analysis. If your sales data has the same transaction in the file twice, maybe because someone copy-pasted and forgot, your total revenue figure is overstated. Your AI summary will include inflated numbers, and your Power BI dashboard will show a chart that looks right but isn't. Duplicates are invisible to the eye when you're scrolling through a large data set. They are absolutely not invisible to the math. All right, 5 qualities: consistency, completeness, accuracy, structure, and no duplicates. That's the standard. Not complicated in concept, but generally hard to maintain in practice, especially across a team. But it's worth every bit of that effort.